What's going on YouTube? This is the one and only Adam D. Noli at it again, bringing you guys another video explaining one method that you can use to stop leeches from stealing your hard work listings that you post on your eBay stores. But before we get to that topic at hand, I just want to say if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel. I've been posting content out weekly and I'm trying to make this channel grow so I can post more videos for you guys to help your success with making money online. So with that being said, let's get to the computer. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm actually showing you one method that you can use to stop people from stealing your hardworking listings that you post on your eBay stores. And this method is mainly getting your own photos from stock photos. And what I mean by that is actually when people find an item that they want to drop ship, they usually just copy everything. They copy the description, the pictures, and everything. And they'll just post the pictures as is on their listings. And that's what you do not want to do, because competitors could actually click and search that picture that you posted on your listing, and then they could just search where you found your product, and they could just undercut you. And a way to counteract that is actually making your own photo from the stock photo. So let me show you what I mean. Let's use this for example, Google Home. Let's find just a random item. Alright, so we got our item. And mainly when we get to this point, a lot of people will just copy this image, and then just save it and then upload on their listings. You don't want to do that though. I'm actually going to show you what you can do. And the tool that I'm going to use to help you actually make your own photo is called Snipping tool. And you don't even need to download it. If you have Windows, it will be right here. You just search Snipping tool. It will be this tool with this icon right here. And if you have a Mac computer, you could obviously do it without a tool. It's already like integrated in your computer, so you guys are lucky. But anyway, when you find this, I would pin it to your taskbar, and when you get here, you click this, and then you click new. Then after clicking new, you just crop this. Oh, let me do a better job. Crop it like this. And mainly when you do this and you save it, I would recommend not just putting like anything. Like I would use like actual like SEO keywords related to the item. So obviously this is Google Home, so this will be easy. Just do Google home accessories or whatever you want to put, but I'm just going to do this because it's simple and it's just for example. But when you actually save a photo like this, you want to put SEO words within the name of the photo, because you might not know it'll actually help you get ranked higher because it's more keywords within the listing as a whole. So just remember that when you actually get to the step, you click save, and that's mainly all you have to do. And what this does is when people actually click on the photo, they can't find this item on Walmart. Compared to actually if you just copy this as is, they will be able to just search the photo and they'll pop up here. You don't want that to happen because it could just undercut you. No one wants that. We want to make money, right? And this is one method that you can use to actually stop people from taking your listings and making more money with each listing. So I hope you guys liked that video. If you guys really liked it, please leave a like and subscribe again so I can keep on pumping out more content for you guys, because I want to make this channel grow and I want you guys to all succeed as long with me, because I'm learning these tips daily. So that being said, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and keep on listening.